How to turn off significant locations on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data and location. Tap on Location Services at the top. On this page, scroll all the way down to the end of the list of apps and tap on System Services. In System Services, scroll down again until you find the Significant Locations option and tap on it. This feature allows your iPhone to learn places significant to you. To disable it, tap the toggle switch. A pop-up will appear, warning you about the change. Tap on Turn Off again to confirm your action. You have now successfully disabled the feature. Following these steps, you can easily turn off significant locations on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.